series. In today's video, we'll be highlighting Bayard Rustin, a civil rights activist and strategist whose work helped shape the civil rights movement. Bayard Rustin was a key organizer behind many civil rights efforts and is best known for helping organize the 1963 March on Washington, where Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his famous "I Have a Dream" speech. Rustin believed strongly in nonviolent protests and worked closely with leaders of the civil rights movement to help plan demonstrations, organize activism, and build strategies for change. Despite his major contributions, Bayard Rustin's role in the movement wasn't always widely recognized during his lifetime. But today, many historians acknowledge the importance of his role that he played in organizing one of the most influential movements in American history. Bayard Rustin's work reminds us that behind every movement, there are people whose leadership and strategies help make change possible. And that wraps up day 9 of the Running Back series.